What's up guys, Manila Matthias here for EPO Fashion, and today we're going to do hashtag Bowling Boogie with Penguin by Munsingwear. So check it out. Finishing line, is that right? Finishing touches. It's all in the details. Actually, really like it. Very formal. You can wear this to the office. You can wear this to the gym. No, I wouldn't. You can wear this to the office. Wear it to a date. I find Penguin very dateable. It's very first date friendly. It doesn't come off too offensive. It comes off very, I like to have fun. Right? What do you think? Very handsome. I call the shots around here. I'm a referee, as you can tell by my black and white. Oh wow, I can match him with the, now I'm really a referee. Yellow flag on 69.
So Tanya, mix, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, go, go! Oh, man! Oh my God! Once again guys, we were bowling, boogieing with the original Penguin PH. Did all these kinds of crazy challenges like bowling backwards. Spinning 3 times around, getting dizzy, and then bowling.
2, 1, go spin. 2, 3.
Go, go, go. Oh man. I had to do the robot and then bowl. You know, it was just a wild, crazy time. Please be sure to check out new videos coming up soon on Ipo Fashion. Thanks for watching.